Thank you. Jai Hind to all my countrymen. Thank you for inviting us out here today. A few months from now, we're going to be having Diwali. And that's the time when Sri Ramji entered Ayodhya. Over here right now, to the Ram that is Shuks, if I can call myself Lakshman, it feels like there's Diwali here today when all our countrymen are here to receive us. But remember, even though I'm elder to Shuks, I would love to be Lakshman to this Ram any day. That's how professional he is. But remember, even Sri Ramji and Lakshman got a lot of help from the entire Vanar Sena, that is our fantastic ISRO team. Thank you, Hanuman and team, and also from the Devtas, the entire gang out here. Otherwise, it would not have been possible. Also, the entire experience when we were there, I can just sum it up in Sat Chit Anandam. What is Sat? Satyam. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Satyam, the truth. The time of Bharat has come. There's no doubt about it. Whether it's technical prowess, whether it's industry, whether it's a Josh, our time has come. It's no small feat what the chairman has listed out till now. To know the implications, you must see the way when we were abroad, with a lot of pride and with a little bit of envy from the others. They say, how come you all have achieved so much? And that too with a lot of humility. So that's the Satyam part of Sat. Chit, that is Shivam. Whenever Bharat does something, we make sure that everyone benefits. That's the consciousness we have because we believe one is everyone. It's not a zero-sum game. So similarly, from the experience point of view, when we were in the US, everyone had a lot of respect for all the things that we do. And they said that whatever you guys have been doing, you make sure that you share knowledge. And then Anandam, Satchit Anandam, that is Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Everything is really beautiful. Like my colleague Shuks had said, my Ram, that when you see Bharat from top above, it's really beautiful. There's a reason why this ancient land has been providing guidance to the entire world since a long time. It's because we believe in the oneness of humanity. That's what space gives us. That's what our future is going to give us in the space program. That's what our children will give us by being inspired here today. Not just in STEM research, but also in the arts, whether it's